Finished up that little bump out roof there today. And that banging you can hear is the bunk beds. Just started to work on the interior bunk beds today. Being built out of 3/4 inch plywood. And that's the layout for the top bunk and the bottom bunk. Some progress on the bunk beds. Here's the original plan. And so what's next is the stairs inside between the two bunks. Looks like he's got a little plan here, 17-inch landing at the top. And there's gonna be drawers in each step as well. Bunk beds are complete. Got all the drawers. There's drawers going up the steps in the bottom. The niches. These will have a power plug and a light switch. Overall, came out just like we were hoping. I'll have a barn door to cover those all up. Doing our barn door installation. Show you some of the hardware. These are Naughty Alder barn doors that we ordered. They're prefabricated at the lumberyard for us. But these are heavy doors. They're 8 feet high, 4 feet wide, and so they have a very strong metal track. This is the kind of track you'd actually use in a real barn. And those doors will swing so that when you fold them up, you can have on this wall space here both doors stacked on top of each other, and the bunks wide open. Got all the hardware from Amazon and Tractor Supply. Tractor Supply is where I got the long rails. Those are too big to ship really, they're 12 feet long each. And then the other pieces I found on Amazon. And they're pretty much a match set, but they were a lot more expensive at Tractor Supply. So I ended up going with Amazon for the same, basically the same exact metal. Here's a shot of them all closed up. So here's how our barn doors ended up. We got them stained and hung and got all the paint done for the metal. We wanted that all black. And we got handles installed and we got the hardware too. Let me show you how that hardware works. So what we've got inside is, we as you saw, we made drawers on each of the steps here. I've just finally got the handles in place for these. And each of the bunks has its own little niche here with an electrical plug for a cell phone charger and then a light switch on the top of it. It's an integrated switch that's got an LED light in each of the bunks. And that's it. That's how our bunk beds played out. I hope it helped you with some ideas, and if it did, please give the video a thumbs up. And I'll put a link in the description to any of the products that we use and to where we got that hardware, and that could help you get yours put together as well. So yeah, give it a thumbs up. It'll help other people find it as well. And I hope you have a great day.